Let's see how to block a spam email. The first method. You can block any email address by clicking the three-dot icon. Then click Block. The second method. Let's see how to block emails without opening them. Now copy the email address. Then go to Settings. Okay. I have already blocked many spam email addresses. You need to create a new filter. Enter your spam email address. Then select Delete it. You can block your unwanted emails through these two methods.